Hi, I'm Prospector Wayne. Today I'm in the beautiful mountains of Arizona. And here's another do-it-yourself project from Prospector Wayne. This is a do-it-yourself project that just about anybody can do, and it's very inexpensive, and it really makes things simple. And here's what the piece of wire will look like when you get done with it, with 4 90-degree bends. You'll also need to drill a couple holes in the side of your sluice box, and they are up out of the way and won't cause any problem with water leakage. One on one side and another on the other side. And these should be at a 45-degree angle or about there to hold the wire in place. For this project, you'll need a piece of wire like this one I've got here, which is the same type of wire that is on a 5-gallon bucket. And I would suggest starting out with a straightened piece of wire instead of using the one from a 5-gallon bucket, because there's a lot of bends you have to straighten out, and it's a lot of work to get that nice and straight like this piece of wire is. After you make your second 90-degree bend, lay your wire in place and try to get it as close as you can to each side of the box. You don't want it too tight because it makes it a little more difficult to get out. So after you get those two 90-degree bends made for the bottom, now you can make your third and fourth 90-degree bend, which will go through the hole in the side of your sluice box. Right there, put it in your groove. Take this end, a pair of pliers, put it in your other hole. Now it will securely hold that mat into place, and it will not move until you're ready to take it out. To take it out, just 1, 2, 3, easy peasy.